Hi guys, this is Enrique, and today we are going to explore the TESTBED 2 Art Center, and it is now a very popular place among the young generation. Also, people say that it's becoming now a new landmark of Chongqing city for both locals and the tourists. This place was actually a printing factory, and during the 1950s to the 1970s, almost all the color prints in Chongqing city came from here. When in 2012, the factory moved out and everything was well kept and transformed into the nowadays art center. This is Ben's bar, and the owner Ben is an old friend of iChongqing, and you can try the famous Sichuan peppercorn flavor beer here. And another bar, and the name is in Spanish, Flujo Líquido. When the sun sets, music fans can head over to nearby music bars, or you can stay here in the viewing platform and enjoy the spectacular night view of this multi-level city. Now we are going to try a local dish called you cha. The main ingredient is the rice paste, and there are a lot of seasoning and condiments like coriander, fried peas, zha cai, and the spring onion, and of course chili paste. And this is the iconic topping called sanzi, which is a fried dough. And it tastes like cookie, and it's very crunchy, but the flavor is totally different. Now let's start. Okay, we put the sanzi and mixed it. It's very crunchy and scrumptious. Fabric from existing site structures was preserved and recycled, used together with new materials to minimize the environment impact and retain the character of the area. You may wonder why it's named TESTBED 2, because there is another twin art center named TESTBED 1, and it is located in London.